Hey everyone, it's Shar from Shar's Fashion Nation. And today, and I'm hoping this is everything that I got from Amazon. Sorry for I've been having my bad headaches today. So, okay, if you know Jersey, like Ann and Abadabs and I know, we get bad flies and sometimes the flies take over. So, in order to take care of that, we're taking care of that with this. Don't judge. We're taking care of that with those. So I got these on Amazon for a pretty fair price. I've got knocked around the package. It's a 10-pack of them. Fly ribbons. Remember these things? We're going to put those up. Now I'm thinking maybe what's in this package, they may have forgotten to put everything together. I'm not sure. We will see. Maybe they got both things in here. So let's open this up, right? Yeah, I have, oh my gosh, y'all, I have been super tired the last couple of days. I need to get back to things people have asked me to sew for them. No idea why that's like that. Okay. Anyway, this is called acrylic nail system. Now that's in here. Small. Package smells weird. Really, professional gel polish UV LED nail dryer lamp. That's kind of small. So let's open her up. And then we'll open up the acrylic nail system. I think that's supposed to be bigger than that. I'm not sure. I'm just doing this because I need other things to do. If I can't concentrate on one thing, I need other things to do. I'm not going to push my friend Izzy for my stuff right now. That's the other reason why I'm doing this. Because she's expecting a little bambino. And, yeah. Respect your preggy friends. Don't push them to do stuff that they may not be able to do right now. Because sometimes it could be dangerous to their health. So, okay, so let's see what she looks like inside. Kind of interesting, because this one, like I said, I'm doing this sort of in the dark because of my headache. So this is the cords. And instead of it being that full thing, like all the way around, now I got this one basically to test it out. It was inexpensive. And this is basically what she looks like. So, once I get this plugged in, it's got all the little UV lights, as you can see. Hey, look, you can see. And then it's got the little buttons on the top, the amount of seconds that you need. Now, I think, quite frankly, what I will do is probably put one of my cutting mats underneath this that happens to just be heat resistant, and do that. Now, I really like the fact that it has the little buttons here. It's got the timer part right here. And then when I do go to do nails, you know, maybe do a video on that. Yeah. First I thought they didn't give me everything in there. Don't mind my hair, y'all. Like, it's Friday. I don't care. It's Friday. I don't care. I've had a rough week. So let's get this. Oh, these are the Scotch scissors, titanium. I love titanium. And there's that song, Titanium. I'm wondering, like, did something break in here? I can smell it, so I hope nothing broke in shipping, because y'all know sometimes they don't handle our stuff with care. That's true, too. Man, is that potent. Yeah, it smells like there might be something open in here, and that would be bad. Okay, here's like, I saw their little glass thingy, and I was like, that's cute though. I will say it's cute. I just don't like the fact that it smells like something broke open. There's no liquid on anything. Now this is what you put your nail in. There's a whole bunch of these in here. They look reusable. We will see. Here's the instructions. Here's the brush that goes with it. But dang, something in here ever. Ooh, that box is potent. I don't think it's this. Yeah, it's this. Whatever. This is the acrylic. So this is the acrylic powder right here. You can see that on both cameras, right? Yes. I have both cameras going. I don't know what the heck is wrong with like InstaSlam anymore, but like we moved everything around for doing IGTV. Okay, so this is the liquid. I don't mind that it's that size. I'm only trying this out just for something extra to do. Maybe just put a little bit of this in here, dip the brush in there, and voila, statuette. But yeah, that's some potent stuff though. Woo. I know Baxter, right? That's some stinky stuff, the dog. He's like, I know Baxties. Doesn't that stink? It stink. He's just sniffing the air. It's funny. Yeah, the other thing that comes with, I love nail files, but this is a specific grain of nail file for doing acrylic. Well, I don't know the name of that company. Anyway, I don't want to butcher their name. Morbihan or something like that. Anyway, this is the instructions. I just wanted to like do a little unboxing this evening. Yeah, that box is some potent shit. I'll tell you that. So let me just open this up, because this is the thing. This is the most potent thing. Yeah, I know Baxties. I'm gonna close it in a moment, baby. Oh my gosh. Got a bad animal story for you today, too. Hercules, the big fluffy cat. He's old. Okay, here's the powder. If we don't let him out right away, he rebels. Like, he only likes to come in and eat, have some water, and go back outside. So, I was busy in the kitchen making breakfast. I come across to do something, and I see that Hercules is doing a no-no. He peed on my friend's son's leather shoes. 2 pairs of leather shoes. Pissed on by the cat. Yeah. Bad kitty. Bad kitty. Like, it's the first time I had ever seen him purposely piss on a pair of leather shoes. It wasn't just one pair. It was those 2 pairs of leather shoes. Destroyed by a male cat. But people are always out there saying, oh, you can get that out, you can get that out. It's a male cat. You are not getting that urine out for nothing. Nothing. It's their urine. That doesn't come out for nothing. So, anyway, these are the only 2 things I can put back in the box. I'm going to put it in this box. If you guys remember, I said with the LV glitter, I would get 2 pairs of canvas shoes, and I just ordered those today. So I did get the white canvas and I got the black canvas shoes. I'm still wondering what's up with this. So I did get those. So yeah, so look forward to the next whatever I got in the mail thing unboxing. Meanwhile, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Honor the flag for the people that died for it. And yeah, have a fun and safe weekend, and I will see you in the next one.